Hi everyone, we are One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits from our organization go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Nobody enjoys those annoying ads popping up while you're trying to watch a video or browse the web. It slows down your browsing, chews through your data, and it's just creepy how much information these trackers gather on you. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share some effective strategies to reclaim your privacy and sanity while browsing the web. We're talking about simple tweaks, powerful extensions, and even some next-level stuff that'll have you feeling like a digital security pro. So grab your favorite beverage, buckle up, and let's banish those pesky ads for good.
Before we go installing a million things, let's check out what your browser can already do. Most modern browsers have built-in tools for managing cookies and blocking trackers. Dive into your browser settings under Privacy and Security and see what options you can tweak. Enabling things like enhanced tracking protection or blocking third-party cookies is a great place to start. Now, we're getting to the good stuff browser extensions. Two of my personal favorites are uBlock Origin and AdBlock Plus. They're both open source, regularly updated, and they just plain work. Installing them is super easy. Just head to your browser's extension store, search for them by name, and click install. You can usually customize them too if you want to whitelist specific websites or fine-tune the blocking rules. Trust me, once you start browsing with these, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them.
If you're serious about privacy, check out privacy-focused browsers like Brave, Firefox, Tor, and DuckDuckGo. Brave is based on the same technology as Chrome, but with a huge emphasis on privacy. DuckDuckGo protects your search history and prevents search engine tracking. Tor browser hides your identity and blocks trackers. Give them a try. You might just find your new favorite browser. Empower yourself with essential digital skills and unlock new opportunities. Our comprehensive training programs cover a wide range of topics, from basic computer skills to advanced digital marketing strategies. Ready to get a little more technical? I'm talking about changing your DNS settings. You can use a DNS service that blocks ads and trackers at the network level. Two popular options are AdGuard DNS and NextDNS. Change a few settings in your router or device, and boom! Ads get blocked before they even reach your browser.
For those who want to take things to the next level, I'm talking about network-wide ad blocking. The most well-known option here is Pi-hole, which you install on a Raspberry Pi. There are also options like AdGuard Home that you can run on old computers or virtual machines. It's a bit more advanced, but blocking ads for your entire network is totally worth it.
We spend so much time on our phones, it's essential to block ads and trackers there too. On iOS, use content blockers within Safari. On Android, use ad-blocking browsers like Brave or Firefox Focus, or DNS-level blocking. These options help keep your mobile browsing experience clean and private.
Let's tweak some more settings to really lock down your privacy. Disable third-party cookies and enable the Do Not Track setting. Regularly clear your cache and cookies to prevent websites from building a detailed profile of your browsing habits. These steps help to enhance your privacy and browsing experience.
Some antivirus and security suites come with built-in ad and tracker blocking features, like Bitdefender and Norton 360. You get top-notch security plus ad blocking all in one package. It's definitely something to consider if you're already paying for an antivirus subscription. Enjoy a cleaner, faster, and more private online experience.
So there you have it. 8 powerful steps to block those pesky ads and trackers like a pro. It's about taking control of your privacy and your online experience. Empower yourself with essential digital skills and unlock new opportunities. Our comprehensive training programs cover a wide range of topics, from basic computer skills to advanced digital marketing strategies. Our services: digital skills training, gain expertise in essential digital tools and techniques. Community outreach, benefit from our commitment to serving underserved communities. expert guidance, learn from experienced trainers and mentors, affordable courses, access high-quality training at affordable prices. Our products, digital resources. Explore our collection of ebooks, templates, and other valuable resources. Website design and maintenance. Let us create and maintain a professional website for your business. Join One Connect CIC today and start your journey towards digital success. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech goodness, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Like what you see, like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. We've got everything from beginner basics to advanced strategies. Share the knowledge. Help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Want to learn more? Visit our website, link in the description, for in-depth articles and expert advice. We're here to help you level up your digital skills. Got feedback? Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. We're always looking for new ideas for future videos. Until next time, stay safe, stay private, and keep those ads out of your life.